a blurb in a fiery public meeting and subsequent letter to State Senate President Karen Fann. The board members said the audit has been inept, promoted falsehoods, and defamed the public servants who ran the fall election, calling the process a spectacle that's harming us all. The 5 members of the board, including 4 Republicans, asked the Senate to recognize that it is essential to call off the audit, which officials have said is only about 1/4 complete. They are weeks and weeks past the time they estimated, and it's only about 25% done. Oh my God, folks, this is a debacle of massive proportions on what's going on out in Arizona with this weekend. And the number of people that are clinging onto the possibility that something might be discovered. It's grotesque. It's laughable. This is a sideshow. This is absolutely beyond words ridiculous. And you've got 4 Republicans on the county board. They understand this. They know this to be the case. And these Republicans, so 4 Republicans and 1 Democrat saying, stop this nonsense. A show of unity. You've got the Democrat sheriff joining the Board of Supervisors. So he's a Democrat. Then you have the Republican county recorder, obviously a Republican. And the county recorder is an elected Republican who leads the election office scholars have said that Roe v. Wade is settled law, and they don't think that there is going to be an ultimate challenge and an overturning on this. And I'm not getting into a debate on where I stand, where I am, but you just got to understand the process and what could occur when the Supreme Court takes this case in the fall. It could be a pathway to banning abortions. Now, the Mississippi law, which was struck down by the lower court back in 2018, would only grant exceptions to its 15-week ban in cases of a severe abnormality or a medical emergency, rape, or health of the mother would not be covered. No, so if you're raped, incest, rape, imminent danger to the mother if the child is carried to full term, would not be considered here in this Mississippi law. So, no rape, no health, no incest. Carry the baby. Now, Mississippi only has one abortion clinic, which remains open while abiding by the law, even though it's been struck down. The case will likely be heard in the fall, and it's expected to be settled at the midway point in December. Whereas a lot of the really, really big cases like this typically are heard after the first of the year, with the results coming before the summer break, before that recess. But this could be decided before we get into 2022. Big story. And this would be, again, December going into 2022, just as we're gearing up for the 2022 midterms, which obviously going to be a big deal. Now, we have politicians on both sides. They're busy deciding strategies that'll work for them no matter how the court